Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm just making a quick video on Himalayan 450. That's the bike which I'm riding from past 1 year. And in this video, I am going to talk about one of the challenge that I have always faced, which is the Himalayan 450 handlebar bushes, which is originally or by by OEM, it is made up of rubber, and it's always getting dislocated. And in order to fix that issue, I have came across this uh, out of motorcycling bushes, which is made up of PVC, I think, or it's a hard plastic instead of rubber. And in this video, we will see how we can replace the bushes. So first thing would be like take a 14 mm spanner and loose both the side of the bolt of your or of, of of your handlebar. Similarly, do that on the other side as well. Don't remove the bolt in the first instance. Just do it turn by turn so that you don't damage your handle. And now loose on the other side as well. So once you have removed the bolt, you will have these small bushes like that. See, now these bushes are made up of rubbers, which might get damaged easily. So I've removed one. Similarly, there will be another one on the other side, or one on the bottom and one on the top. I'm gonna remove both of them. So yep. There we go. The other bolt also has been removed. Now I'm remove the bushes from the top. There is no any up or bottom kind of a bushes. They all are comes with the similar size. So you just take the still part from those two bushes and install it on um, the art of motorcycling bushes, and then just try to handle. That's all. These are the four bushes that I have from art of motorcycling. And there we go. Yeah, just place all the bushes on those. Um, yeah, that's how you will replace the handlebar bushes on your Himalayan 450. If you're watching the video till here, thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ali over there.